What's the meaning of absent? Absent. 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 The word absent can be used in a variety of ways, but it generally means not present. For example, you might say that someone is absent from school if they are not there, or that something is absent from the conversation if it is not being discussed. The word can also be used to describe someone who is not paying attention, or who is lost in thought. For example, you might say that someone has an absent look in their eyes if they seem to be somewhere else. In short, the word absent can be used to describe a variety of situations in which something or someone is not there. Here are some examples of how the word absent can be used in a sentence. The teacher was absent from school today. The topic of money was absent from the conversation. The child had an absent look in their eyes.